How to use the COUNTIF function in Excel. I have created an Excel sample template of the IQ test result of the participants for this tutorial. There are registration number, full name, age, gender and scores in the table. If you wish to learn the count function, we had made a video on it. Do check out the link above. A COUNTIF function counts the number of cells within a range that meet the given condition. The COUNTIF function can count both texts and number. Let us try it out. Basic COUNTIF text example, let us find the number of IQ participants who are male. Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal, COUNTIF, open parentheses. Select cell E7 and drag your cursor to E26. Next, type in the comma, insert quotes, male, and close the quotes. Hit the return key. You will get a total count of 11 of males participants. Advanced COUNTIF text example tips. For instance, you wish to find out the total number of participants' name, which starts with an A. Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal, COUNTIF, open parentheses. Select cell C7 and drag your cursor to C26. Next, type in the comma, insert quotes, A, asterisk, and close the quotes. Hit the return key. You will get a total count of 3 participants that starts with an A in their name. Basic COUNTIF number example. Let us find out the number of all the IQ participants who scored 101 marks. Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal, COUNTIF, open parentheses. Select cell F7 and drag your cursor to F26. Next, type in the comma, insert quotes, 101 and close the quotes. Hit the return key. You will get the total number of participants who score 101, which is 2. Advanced COUNTIF number example. We are interested in finding out the total number of participants whose IQ is more than 100. What should we do? Select on the cell C28 and type in the equal, COUNTIF, open parentheses. Select cell F7 and drag your cursor to F26. Next, type in the comma, insert quotes, greater than 100 and close the quotes. Hit the return key. The total number of participants who score more than 100 is 10. There you have it, the COUNTIF function for Excel. If you have any Excel formula you want us to teach, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification to have more free Excel function tutorial. But, before you go, we have a bonus clip for you. I will be turning this Excel spreadsheet into an API. Stay tuned to see how the magic works. I will be using AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in to turn this COUNTIF function Excel into an API. To do this, I will need AlchemyJ Excel installed and with a preset of rules. I will select the AlchemyJ ribbon, select Generate API and click on Generate API. The file is now converting. Okay, your API is ready. I will now launch this open API which AlchemyJ generates and try using the COUNTIF function on it. I will expand this tab and select Try it out. Let us do a COUNTIF of the total numbers of males. Let me input in 3 males and 2 females. So, will I get a total count of 3 males and not 5? Yes, we got 3 males. AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in turns your Excel business model into API. This way, you can integrate your Excel model into other applications. You can download AlchemyJ Studio Excel add-in for free at alchemyj.io. And once again, thank you for watching. So which Excel function you wish to be converted into an API? Let us know in the comments section below. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button and turn on the notification. See you soon.